All right, round two.
Hey, guess what? I think we just did this yesterday, right?
That's what it feels like.
Yeah. Thanks, ACP.
All right, you ready?
Number one. You know which one. Okay, we're gonna need some fluid. Go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, stop. There you go.
Down.
Now bring it back. Call me. Let her rest a minute. Let it get that air out. Because that stuff's really foamy. Alright, let her rest a moment. Alright. Chill out a second. We'll come back to it in a moment.
Here we go again.
Oops, stop foam. Foam. Okay.
Down.
Go back up. Up, go up.
Those really nice way to do that.
Okay, stop. Let me wipe this up.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to probably make sure it's full on fluid. And then I'm going to put the plug back in it. And we're going to actuate it. And I'll just kind of bleed it, crack it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
But we're there.
Yay.
We're almost done. And
So-
Danny can take his baby home.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
And if these lines break again, well, somebody already owes us money. It's not Danny. And it's not Allan. So
Yeah. Well, we're
their company starts with an A and ends with a P.
AP.
And I'm going to tag them in every one of these videos because this is horse shit.
All right, guys. Later.